What's up guys? We are back with the latest Samsung news. So, we have a brand new Samsung patent that has to be the best patent. When it comes to the under-display camera, it was approved and published on December 24, 2020, just a couple of days ago. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, the patent shows off a full-screen Samsung phone that has a sub-display mechanism installed. Basically, there is a small display installed under the main display that can move up and down, depending on whether you activate the camera. So, when you're not using the camera, there is no punch hole or anything on the display. It's completely bezel-less, but as soon as you open the camera, that sub-display will move downwards to reveal the front camera sensor that is sitting inside the phone. This is absolute genius move. It not only hides the front camera, but also gives you the best selfie image quality. So, one of the most fundamental problems with the under-display camera right now is that the image quality of the front camera suffers, but seems like with the sub-display camera mechanism, Samsung is able to solve that issue and also give you the complete Galaxy Zero bezel design. Now, the awesomeness does not end there, because this sub-display is actually having a touch sensors. It can show you the time, the date, the notification as well, so you can quickly tap in and jump into that application, as shown in this example. Now, what's even more interesting is that the special display can also be operated with a Samsung S Pen, and I have to say the timing cannot get any better, because we have seen in rumors multiple times that Samsung is planning to bring the under-display camera with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Perhaps this is how Samsung might pull it off. Anyway, what you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.